Hello everyone, this is our last topic of this chapter that is हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। आज हम इस टॉपिक को ख़त्म कर लेते हैं, फिर कोशिश करेंगे थोड़ा सा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने की। सो फर्स्ट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। ओके, so when a highly electronegative atoms do the covalent bonding with the hydrogen, I hope you know the meaning of covalent bond also, because we have talked all these about in the last chapter, the structure of atom, that is ionic bonding, covalent bonding. Once again I will tell you that the bond which is formed by the sharing of the electrons are called covalent bonds, and the bonds which are formed by the transferring of electron is called the ionic bonds, in which the atoms which are taking part in the bond formation will get the positive and negative charges. Okay, so hydrogen forms the covalent bonding with the non-metals, and the electronegative non-metals are oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine also. So when the covalent bonding is done between these two atoms, then because of the atom which are oxygen, fluorine, or the nitrogen are there, they are highly electronegative, so they attract the electron of covalent bond towards them. And when they attract the shared electrons towards them, then bond also shifted somewhat, and these atoms get the partial negative charge, and the hydrogen atom get the partial positive charge on it. And we also learned earlier that no covalent bond is 100% covalent, and no ionic bond is 100% ionic. Okay, because they show the property of covalent and the ionic, right? So here you can see that these are the electronegative molecules. Bond is formed between hydrogen and fluorine because it is more reactive. Then what will happen? Due to this, the electron, these bond or shared electron will shift towards the fluorine. So it will be like this bond is shifted from here to fluorine, so it will get partial negative and it will get partial positive charge. Okay, now uh, when this condition arises, then what happens? This partial acquiring positive charge of hydrogen or positively charged hydrogen will start to attract the another electronegative atom towards it. So when it start to attract the more electronegative atom towards it, so uh, it will be we will draw it with a dotted line like this. So here the bond shifted towards the fluorine, and this hydrogen, positively charged hydrogen, start to attract another electronegative atom towards it, that is फ्लोरीन इसकी तरफ आएगा. Then here also this hydrogen start to attract this fluorine, this hydrogen start to attract this fluorine. So these bonds which we draw with a dotted line, these are called the hydrogen bonds. So these bonds are known as the hydrogen bonds, and this solid line is the covalent bond. Okay, so it is a covalent bond. So when covalent bonding is done between the molecule to form a molecule between two atoms, one is highly electronegative and another is not, then hydrogen bonding is done in such type of cases. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now hydrogen bonding can be of two types. First one is intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and second one is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. I think this is not so much visible to you because of the reflection of the light on it. So I will tell you, it is intermolecular. okay, and it is intramolecular. Okay, so what is intermolecular hydrogen bonding? It is this bond is formed between the different molecules. Maybe they are similar or they are different. Okay, so intermolecular bonding is done in a similar different molecules. Okay, so it can be an example of intermolecular hydrogen bonding in which this is a molecule of hydrogen fluoride. This is a molecule of hydrogen fluoride. Okay, so this bonding is done between the molecules, different molecules. They can be same and different also. Okay. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is uh, in the molecule which is between the two highly electronegative uh, atoms. They can be oxygen, they can be nitrogen, they can be fluorine also. Okay, so within a molecule, किसी मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर ही दो हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम्स के बीच में जब हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगी, हाइड्रोजन वहाँ बीच में मिडिल में प्रेजेंट होगा, उसी को हम क्या बोलेंगे, उसी को हम बोलेंगे intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So this is an example of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. I hope you just understood this concept. Now the chapter is over, and now we will go for the next chapter in a next video. Okay, thank you so much.